Yung panalo natin sa Asian Games is parang short of a miracle daw. The fact is, it is. Halos milagro ang panalo natin ng Asian Gold Medal. While andito pa tayo, masaya pa tayo sa panalo ng Gilas, I hope people don't see this Gilas victory as a validation that the current Gilas system works. Hindi ho validation to na yung Gilas system that we have right now, yung konti preparations, ang daming drama, ang daming controversies, it still works. Ang sino yung nagsabi sa atin na yung panalo natin sa Asian Games is parang short of a miracle daw. The fact is, it is. Halos milagro ang panalo natin ng Asian Gold Medal. Kita nyo yung talagang winner ho talaga si Justin Brownlee with all those 3 points that he made. Nakita nyo yung team ko, he was like Zen out there na kung mag-manipulate ng game, kung the way he coached that game, masterpiece ho yung mga pag-coach ng game na yon. Before this Asian Games, yung noteworthy na panalo ng Gilas? Yung pang 2013 na FIBA Asia Cup dito sa Manila, di ba? Alam niyo yung pinalo natin yung Korea, pumasok tayo sa final sa Game Iran, and in so doing, we made it to the World Cup for the first time in like decades, di ba? Yung pa ho yun, 2013. Now, 2023 na, ito na ho yung worthy na natin, noteworthy na panalo natin. Asian Games, first gold in 61 years, di ba? So, if we follow this whole system that we have sa Gilas now, baka maghintay na naman ho tayo ng 10 taon before we see another miracle like this one. Diba? Hayaan pa ho ba natin umabot sa ganun? So what do we do? Habang masaya ho tayo, let's start changes. Top to bottom changes sa the way the basketball is being run right now. What can we do? Unang-una ho, let's put a system to it. Yung nakaraang mga taon, ang dami hong mga maling desisyon na nagawa yung SBP. So, let's start from scratch. Sabi nga nila, fresh start, di ba? Why don't we involve more people in the decision-making process? Ang daming stakeholders dyan. May UAP, may NCAA, may MPBL dyan, may PBA dyan. Why don't we involve them, di ba? And why don't we harness their help, di ba? Hindi lang isang company or isang tao na doing all the decisions for themselves. Pag nagawa ho natin yun, maybe we can have more healthy program na involving more stakeholders at more importantly, nakakaabot po tayo sa grassroots. If we can do that, baka sakaling hindi na ho tayo 12-day preparation, hindi na ho tayo kailangan magbayad ng players para maglaro para sa Gilas, or hindi na ho tayo magturuan after every defeat. Basta may programa ho yan, I'm sure uusad ho na maganda yan. Who knows, we may not have to wait another 10 years for another miracle from Gilas Pilipinas. So, sana ho, yun ho panalangin ko sa Gilas amid the euphoria of this victory. Sana ho, gawin na natin to. Let's ride the momentum and institute changes where they are needed, and hopefully, moving forward, mas maganda ho yung future ng Gilas program.